will give, instead of yellow, I am just giving orange in the labels. Save, refresh. Now it looks decent. Now what I will do is just change the footer into copyright. Save, refresh, copyright. But it is missing something. Is missing is a copyright symbol. So I will use the HTML entity, and it starts with ampersand copy terminator, and just save it, refresh. There you go, you can see the copyright symbol over there. We can use this HTML entities wherever we want it, like here ampersand NBSP, it will give the space. Save, refresh. You can see at the home it is just slightly deferred from its original position. So what I will do is I will give more this spacing, so you can understand how it works. These are just character entities which we can use at any place. You can just learn them online, or you can just search them, so you can use them more. So I am giving this ampersand NBSP for spacing to every navigation tool or link, you can say. Save, refresh. Now you can see there is it look good now. See, so now we will move ahead to another thing. Is what we will do is we will just copy this home page and just paste it on the home page at in front of the main content. So after this, as we know that our home page is just a it is a default.html file, so we will do nothing right now. When we click at the home page, it will appear home page main content. Similarly, we will do this to every other link, every other link in the navigation bar. We will copy this qualification and paste it on the home page section. Also, we will paste it at the main content section. And what I will do is save as it with its own name, and in that I will just turn the capital letter down and save it with the double inverted comma. So we have the another file with the name of qualification.html saved at our desktop. So I understand, like many of you haven't got this, why we are doing it. I will tell you later about it. Do as what I am do it like what I am doing here. Now we are doing it with for the work experience. I copied it at the home page and also copied it at the main content. I am saving this file with the name of work experience page.html with double inverted commas, and it will make another file with the name of work experience on the desktop. Now for the skill set, we will copy this skill set, we will paste it at the home page section, and we will also paste it at the main content section, and we will save as it as a skill set, turning capital caps down, and then .html with double inverted commas. Save. You have another file with the name of skill set. I am not showing you again and again. I will just do it for all the navigation links, like how I am doing it for the competencies. I could have just skipped it to the final. I could have just skipped it to the final look, but I am not doing it, so you can learn and understand again and again. Similarly, for the accomplishments.html in the double inverted commas, save. For the personal info, copy it, paste it on the home page section. then paste it on the main content section. Save as, sorry, personal double inverted commas, personal info dot html double inverted comma close. Save. Now for the language is known, copy, paste it on the home page section, paste it on the main content section. Save as, double inverted commas start, languages known dot html double inverted commas closed. Save. Now for the hobbies, similar thing, paste it on the hobbies home page, and then on the main content. Save as, h small dot html close. Save. My works on the home page section, similar on the main content section, and save as myworks.html. Now for the contact me, just remember this contact me. I will give you the assignment on this contact me. You have to create a small form inside it, inside this uh, personal profile with the name of contact me, where you have to give email and subject. Now you see home page. What happened here is just I created everything, I just differentiated all the navigation links differently. I just saved them all differently. So what I can have is their link. So now what I will do here is just copy all, every each file's link and just paste it over in front of their name inside the href, inside anchor tag. Href stand for hyperlink reference. So I will write in front of competencies, I will write competencies.html. For work experience I will write work experience.html. You I know you are understanding it. So I will do this for each link. I am giving their path. It is not a path but just a reference to the file name in the desktop. You can just write the name.html, then you can it can be clickable, it would be clickable, and just you can get at the target location which you have given at the href. I am doing this for the for qualification. I am writing qualification dot to qualification page dot html. Just remember, don't write the name of the file wrong. Languages known.html, and then for hobbies.html, contact me.html. So here we are done. Save it. Just remember you are on the default.html notepad. So say refresh. Now what we will do is I do qualification page, but I cannot click on others, and I cannot go